All right, here's another question. This is a binomial probability distribution problem. And with this problem, honestly, you can use a, a website called StatTrek, which is a lot faster, or you can use this formula that I think we're using in the course. Let me read it. It says a doctor is assigned the following chances to a medical procedure. And it lists different percentages. Full coverage, 55% of the time. Condition, improves 24%, no change 17%, and condition worsened 4%. Okay? Suppose the procedure is performed on 5 patients. Assume that the procedure is independent for each patient. What is the probability that all 5 patients will recover completely? What are the chances? Again, basically this is a binomial probability distribution. You need to kind of define your terms. You're looking for the set number of trials, which is your n value in the formula here. And your set number of trials is going to be 5. You got to look for your probability of success. And the probability of success is going to be for full recovery. So they said 55% of the time. So we're going to make that 0.55. And we're looking for our random variable. I want to know what is the probability that all 5 patients recover. So I'm looking for the probability that x equals 5. That means 5 successes. 5 successes. And basically the way you do that, you can plug in this formula. And we'll do this. Let's see, that's going to be 5, choose 5, which you'll figure out that's 1 in your calculator, times p to the x, which is 0.55, all to the 5 power. And then this one, 1 minus p, that's going to be 1 minus this, which is going to be 0 anyway, but I'll show you. It's going to be to the 0 power. That's really 1 minus 0.55, which is 0.45. And then to the 5 minus 5 power. What is 5 minus 5? 0. So that's just going to be 1. So really I have a 5 choose 5 times 0.55 to the 5th power. Let's plug that in a calculator. Let's find a nice scientific calculator somewhere. Oh, that has the, you know what? I don't think any of these calculators are going to have that function. Okay, found a calculator. Let's bring this over here. Bring this over. Well, all right. Basically, we're plugging this in. All right. And I want to plug in. This is a combination problem. So I'm going to type in this symbol here. And it's a 5 comma 5. 5 comma 5. It's going to be 1. There's some logic behind that, but not that important. And I'm just going to do this. And I'll show you it's just 1. That's 1. And then times, well, this is just whatever that is. And then 0.45 to the 0 power, that's 1. So technically it's just going to be 0.55 to the 5th power, which is 0.0503, so forth and so on. 0.05032, round it to whatever they want you to round it to. But the other way to do this, just while you're taking your test, is a lot faster. If you go to this website called StatTrek, I use this in class all the time. It's beautiful. It's just fast. At StatTrek, you can go to Binomial, and literally you can plug in the information. It does it for you. Probability in a single trial is 0.55. Number of trials in this case was what? 5. Number of successes is 5. Click. There's a calculate button here. Voila. 0.050328, x equals 5.050328. Same exact concept. So anyway, that's a lot faster. Hopefully it helped. Thanks.